Good morning, grade 3, and a warm welcome to the English class. Well, children, let's get going straight away. What do you understand by nouns? Yes, children, by now most of you are familiar with this noun. Many of you. Not many, all of you. You're well versed with noun. Noun is what you will tell me: person, place, animal, and things. Give me some example, children, of person. You yourself. Okay? So it could be a person's, it could even be a name. Alifa, Yash, grandmama, grandfather, uncle, aunt. So, person, teacher, doctor. Place. Place could be your school, your home, Pune, Mumbai. Animals, we all know. And things. Okay, so these are nouns. Now children, open your textbook quickly and the lesson Stig of the Dumb. I want you to find nouns in this lesson. Quickly. Come on. You said nouns are person, place, animal or things. Now pick up nouns from these two pages. That is page 5454 and page 5555. Yes. Pit, bicycle, grass. What else? Eyes. Right? So these and many other over here, they are all nouns. Okay, now children, what about phrases? What about phrases? This also we have done, children. What are phrases? Yes. They are a group of words that does not make sense on its own. Children, this we have done. Okay. Phrases we have done it here. If you look at this page, which page was that, children, where we have done phrases? Who could tell me? Can you see here, children, on page 4343? A phrase is a group of words that does not make sense on its own. So we have done phrases. Okay. So phrases are, it's a group of words that does not make sense of its own. Now children, what are articles? You must be wondering, why is ma'am asking all this? Nouns, then phrases, and now what is ma'am asking? What are adjectives? What are adjectives, children? Sorry, what are articles? First, let's do articles. Let me write it in capital. Articles. Yes. Come on, think, children. What are articles? Yes. Articles are a, and, the. Yes, I know many of you will scream. A, and the. And we use when there's a vowel. A could be any common thing. And the is what, children? When the is a definite article. Definite article means, like, for example, if I say Taj Mahal. So what do I say? I say the Taj Mahal. I don't say a Taj Mahal. Right? And an is before a vowel. An umbrella. An egg. So we are familiar with this. Right? Now children, what are adjectives? This also we have done. Yes, I know you're going to scream and shout. Adjectives are describing words. This also we have done, children, just recently. Okay? Adjectives are describing words. They will describe a noun. Give me an example of how would you describe yourself? Come on. How would you describe yourself? Yes, you would say some qualities. You could say honest, hardworking. Or how would you describe yourself? Physical features. What would you say? tall, healthy, right? So these are all adjectives. So children, let me just revise what I did again. First, what did we do? We did nouns, right? I need another pen, I think. First, we did this nouns, right? Person, place, animal, things. After that, what did we do? We did phrases. All this is done and it is there in your textbook. Then we did phrases. After that, what did we do, children? Yes, we did articles. And then what did we do? We did adjectives. We did adjectives. Now children, you will be thinking, why has ma'am done all this? I'll give you a reason why I've done all this. Now with adjective, children, we said describing words are called adjectives. But with adjectives, we also have demonstrative adjectives. What is demonstrative adjectives? Yes, demonstrative adjectives are what? Demonstrative. You remember, children, this also we have done. This, that, these, those. These are all demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, and those. These are demonstrative adjectives. So well children, now as I told you, this is a noun phrase. I've just made it simple for you. A noun phrase would also be a person, place or thing, but it is made up of a noun and other words linked to it, which is why we call it a noun phrase. Now children, as you do it, you will understand. It's not all that difficult. You just need a little practice. Okay? Now let's start with the first one. What is the noun phrase in each sentence? Now children, first pick up the noun. See the sentence here. That cliff is very high. So the noun is cliff over here. But what they have told us, they have asked us for noun phrase. In order to find out the noun phrase, first you find out the noun. So once you have got the noun, so what's your noun phrase? That cliff. You see how simple it is? Now the second one. The ground gave away. First find the noun. The noun is ground. That's the place. We learned what is noun, person, place, animal, thing. So ground is a place. Now for noun phrase, what did we say children? Noun phrase includes a noun and other words linked to it. Right? So it is the ground. Now give a try children for the third one. I don't want to help you. Come on. Yes, read. Those earwigs are falling. So which is a noun over here? Yes, earwigs. Children, we have done this. If you have read the text, earwigs are small insects. Can you see here? So that's a noun. So which is your noun phrase now? Yes, what did I say? What's the definition of a noun phrase? Noun phrase includes a noun and other words linked to it. So it is those earwigs. Right? Okay, I'll do the last one, the fourth one. Let me see. Barney wanted that bicycle. Which is a noun, children, over here? Yes, now all of you will scream Barney because it is a person. But children, look here. There's nothing linked to it. You're right. Barney is a noun, but there's nothing linked to it. Which is another noun over here? Very good. Bicycle. That's the other noun. And which is a word linked to it? That bicycle. Okay. So now children, the remaining, there are only 2 sentences that you can do. I'll give you something for further practice also. Let's take something from here. take for example any word from here. Think of a word. Carpet. Okay, let's take carpet. Come on. Now think, how would you put a noun phrase? You have to make it into a simple noun phrase. What would you say? Think. If you say carpet, okay, this word is taken from your text, carpet. So what could you say about carpet? That carpet. That carpet. Okay, roof. Very common word in that lesson, roof. So you can say the roof. So can you see, children? The words are linked. So this is your noun phrase. This is only your noun. This is only your noun. This is also only your noun. But then the word which is before it, the roof, that becomes your noun phrase. Okay. Now children, look at the second part. Okay. Look at the second part over here. This is telling us about a noun phrase can be expanded with adjectives. Now here children, in this A, we did not have any adjective. There was just the noun phrase. But here we have the adjectives. See the example, children. A damp smell. So it is describing how the smell is damp. Smell is a noun. The crawling earwig. So this is an insect. So it's describing. Crawling is a describing word. So that's an adjective. Okay. Well children, now I have some noun cards. Let me see how you can make some simple noun phrases. Let's take the first noun card. I think this is going to be very simple. Yes, carpet. Think children. You have to add a noun phrase. What did I tell you for noun phrase? What's the noun phrase? You need to link which words, children? Noun, an adjective, determiners. So this carpet, what will you put? Yes, I just now said this. So you can say this rotten carpet. Okay, so this is your demonstrative adjective. And then rotten is your, rotten will be what, children? Yes. I can say this rotten carpet. So rotten is your adjective and this is your demonstrative adjective. And then you got your carpet. So you got your noun phrase. Simple. As you do, children, you will get the confidence. Now let's take another noun card. How about clouds? Yes. Come on, add a noun phrase. Make it into a simple noun phrase. What will it be? Those dark clouds, grey clouds, white clouds. Again, demonstrative adjective. This is your adjective and then clouds. Clouds is your noun. Or you could even say that passing cloud. Okay. Now how about branches? Think from the text only, children. You may pause the video and you can look out for words from there. Yes, you can say those broken branches. Okay. So broken is describing how the branches are. So now let's move to the B one. Now I think, children, it's going to get simple for you. If you look at this, look at the B1, children. Make each noun into a noun phrase by adding the part of speech indicated. Parts of speech, children. Remember parts of speech we have done. What are parts of speech? Nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives. But here we are concentrating only on adjectives. There are different parts of speech. So here we focus on adjectives. So first one they have done, children. Definite article over here is the. Then the adjective here is chalk. And then the noun here is cliff. Here chalk means earth. Okay. That's mud, soil. Now children, see the second one. Indefinite article plus adjective plus bicycle. So they have given us the noun. See here. I just need to move these things. Okay, now I made space. So indefinite article plus adjectives plus bicycle. So children, what would be the indefinite article over here? What are indefinite article? See, it's here, no? A and an. Definite article is the. Remember, I gave you the example of the Taj Mahal. So, indefinite article will be what? Then what do you have? Adjective. They have given us bicycle. What do we put? In Bani's case, children, it was a rusty bicycle. Okay. So, we can take the word rusty. A rusty bicycle. Got it? Okay. Now the third one. Think of the third one, children. Demonstrative adjective plus adjective plus creepers. This should be simple. Come on, demonstrative adjective. Now creepers, children, see. Okay. So that means it is plural. Be careful. When you're doing grammar, you need to take care of all this. So here it is plural. So demonstrative will be, can we start with those? Yes, those. Those. How were the creepers, children? They were tangled. You remember when he fell down? They were all tangled and knotted up. So those tangled creepers. Got it? Simple? Yes. So children, I think you can complete this A and B. Most of this I have done for you. What you need to do, children, first is you need to read the information box. And this, you can copy this in your notebook. What's a noun phrase? This also you can copy it. Okay. And revise what is a noun phrase, what are phrases. This all we have done it previously. You just need to revise. So that's all, children, from my side. Happy learning.